Okay, so I just woke up and today we're going on a road trip. Where are we going, babe? What are we doing?
Where are we going?
We're going to many places.
We are?
Yeah,
Beach,
we're going to the
mountains, desert.
all three, the Southern California Challenge. Here we go. As soon as I wake up, gotta get myself a Red Bull. Hell yeah. Let's do it. Magic waking up juice. Yummy! Is today a freckles kind of day? Because I feel like it is. Guys, I don't know what happened. I really got out of control in my makeup over here, and the outfit that I have picked out just literally does not match this level of intense makeup, but you know, that's fine. So in true shovel fashion, we are an hour late. We said we were gonna leave the house at 6, LOL. And then at 6:30, babe said that we had 25 minutes until we had to leave. And now it's 7:11. All right, we're about to leave for our road trip.
Yay!
Yay! I put way too much makeup on for it being a road trip, but that's okay. Yeah. We're only an hour behind our proposed schedule.
You look like a gay Ken doll.
That's the goal. So where's our first stop? Our first place we're headed?
Gas station.
Okay, and then after the gas station, where are we going?
The beach.
The beach! Let's go to the beach. Beach, let's go to the let's go to the what?
All right, we made it to stop number 1.
Stop numero uno.
Which is the beach.
Okay, so first stop, Junipero Hill. We are going to skate it. Hell yeah, let's go.
Oh, sorry.
We made it to Beaumont Pier, and now we're gonna head back and start the second leg of our journey. Okay, so I'll be honest, this is gonna be more of a wild day than I thought. I don't know about you, babe. We are we are so hot. It is 8:30. We're out of shape.
It's only 77 degrees right now.
And we just finished skating at the beach, and it was super fun and beautiful, but also like, who do we think we are to do this in one day? Will we actually complete our task?
Duh.
Okay, yeah, obviously we're gonna do that, but we look like glazed donuts, and we're gonna get breakfast burritos.
It's just that dewy Fenty and highlighter. What are you talking about?
Yeah,
I don't sweat.
I put a dewy finishing spray on. Dang! Check it out! Yo, this is sick, babe. We are in the mountains for real right now. Where are we at now, babe? Big Bear Lake. So I've actually never been to Big Bear Lake until now, so now I feel pretty accomplished. But that's not our final destination because we didn't get to skate there. Our final destination, well, this second round of final destination is...
I feel like we're gonna die.
No, not... No, yeah, but that's not it. That's not what we're doing. Y'all, check it out. We just found a skate park. Hell yeah, this is about to be so dope considering we have not skate park setups. Are you so ready for this?
I'm ready to skate slow, and that's a steep transition, so I'm obviously not doing anything fancy. I'll do a couple of stop things.
Yeah, me too. Hell yeah. Welcome to the random skate park that we found on our way up the mountain.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light.
Okay, so earlier this morning we went to the beach. We started out at like 6 in the morning. Well, that's when we woke up. And then we went to the beach, and now we have driven all the way up to the mountains. Not only have we stopped on the side of the road to take pictures and almost died off the edge of the cliff, but also we've had a skate park, and now we're at this like beautiful lake. Oh, and we stopped at Big Bear Lake. Like, we are killing it. We are about to leave Big Bear. We're going on to our next stop. Our next stop is the desert. We're off to Joshua Tree. Hey babe, what's your favorite part about this trip so far?
Spending time with you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Getting out of the godforsaken house.
I know, for real.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down. 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version.
What's that you say? We made it to the desert, which is the third part of the challenge, and we're roller skating in the desert in the high heat where it's beautiful here. What's that?
I need the better version of you. I need the better you.
All right, everybody, so we did it. I'm super proud of us. Go Team Shovel! Woo! We made it to the beach, we made it to the mountains, and we made it to the desert, and we skied in all of them, and we did it all in one day. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support me and see more adventures that I go on, you can become a Patreon, or you can buy things from my Etsy. And most importantly,
There's bees everywhere. Sorry, I'm wigging out.
cheers to the queers! Oh, look at them walking around like mean girls.